Hi, and welcome to this demonstration. I'm going to go through with you on this Bluetti, this AC300. I've been having issues with B300. Battery has been degrading for the past few months. Now, before I go into that, I want to just say that I have an AC200, AC200P, an AC200 Max, and an EP500 that I have not had any issues with them at all. But with this B300, it's only a test result showed that it's only putting out 1.26 watt hours, which is about, I don't know, somewhere around 44% efficiency rate. So I reached out to Bluetti and back and forth emails with them, and I emailed them photographs of my results, and they would give me instructions what else they wanted to need or to see, and I gave them all that information. And finally they said, we'll pay the shipment, to ship it to Texas, and for them to repair it. So I boxed it up, and a FedEx truck came by and picked it up, and it went to Texas, and it was back in about a week. It was a pretty fast turnaround. So when I went to test it again, it still only showed 1.26 kilowatt hours. So I reached back to Bluetti, and they sent me this email back. So thank you for reaching out to us. We are sorry for the inconvenience caused. Our experienced technician has repaired the B300 and replaced its BMS board inside the battery. Also, drain and recharge your B300 for a complete battery cycle. So they're saying that they have replaced the BMS in this and recycled it, and I guess to confirm that it's working correctly. It says, regarding your situation, please try to drain and do not plug in or carry any appliances while charging the B300 to 100% using AC power, and leave it for a day before using it. So I drain it down to 0%, charge it back up to 100% AC power without anything connected to it, up to setting for more than a day. So now I'm going to test it again, and I'll show you on this video what I find, if it's working or it's not working. So here we go. Now turn it on now. Now it's booting up. Now it's got 100%. I don't know if you can see that on this, but I will zoom in on this in a little bit. And I got my meter here on, and let's turn the AC on here. And I got the AC turned on. And the meter came up, and we got kilowatt hours, 0 kilowatt hours. Got a space heater down here, and I'll turn it on. And now it's putting out 599 watts, or 600 watts. So we're just going to let it run like that. Let it run down to 0, and then we'll calculate and see how much watt hours we're getting out of this. Well, as you can see on the video, it still has the same problem as it had before I shipped it off for Bluetti to put the repair on it. It only produced 1.26 kilowatt hours. And take it off from here, put it up here to show you. 1.26 kilowatts. And it only ran for 2 hours. So it still has the same problem we had before that I was talking about. And so if I take my calculator and find out the efficiency of this, we can see here that it comes out to about 42% efficiency rate, when it should be at least 85% efficiency rate. So yeah, it still has the same problem. And what I think is wrong with this is that it's not the battery management system, the BMS. I think the problem is probably there's one cell in the battery bank that is lower than the other batteries, and when the BMS sees that it is low, it reaches a certain threshold, it's low, it just shuts down the whole system. And you can see that rapidly declining after it got down to like 30%. It was rapidly declining, and I think it got around to 20% and then just dropped down to 0. So yeah, it still has the problem. I will reach out to Bluetti again and show them this video, and I will get back with you all to see if they resolved it or not. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.